In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to turn on the multi-guest request feature on TikTok Live. Whether you're looking to collaborate with friends, host virtual events, or interact with multiple fans at once, this new TikTok feature will make your live streams more engaging and fun. This feature lets you bring multiple guests into your live broadcast, which is perfect for collaborations, Q&As, or just hanging out with the community. Before we jump into the step, let's talk about what multi-guest request actually is. TikTok Live has been getting more interactive, and now with the multi-guest feature, you can invite more than one person to join your live stream at a time. This means you can chat, collaborate, or even host virtual events with the multiple guests in a single live video, making your content even more engaging. It's super easy and it's a game changer for TikTok creators. Now, before we get started, there are a couple of requirements you need to meet in order to use the multi-guest feature on TikTok Live. You must be 16 or older. Your account must have access to TikTok Live, meaning your account needs to meet the criteria for live streaming. Now, you need to have an updated TikTok app. Alright, now let's get to the fun part. Open the TikTok app.
So much love.
Tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen like you're going to create a new post. Then swipe over to the live option at the bottom of the screen. If you do not have the live option, that means you are not eligible for the TikTok Live. Now, after you tap on live, look for the guest button. This is where you enable the multi-guest feature. It's located in the settings before you go live. Tap on the guest button to enable it. This will allow you to invite multiple guests to your live. Once you've tapped the guest button, you'll have a few options to adjust how many guests you want to invite and how you want to manage the request. You can either approve guests manually or allow anyone to request to join the live. Make sure to adjust the settings based on what you prefer. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on multi-guest requests for TikTok Live.